Welcome to The Explainer. So today we're diving headfirst into the summer 2026 look. We're going to take this ultimate trendsetter's guide and break it down into real actionable steps. And honestly, it is all about one vibrant theme: unapologetic self-expression.
So, I have to ask, are you ready to embrace unapologetic self-expression this summer? Seriously, this season is basically begging us to be wonderfully, authentically true to ourselves. You know, beauty just isn't about fitting in anymore, right? It's the perfect time to shake up those routines, experiment fearlessly with your look, and really find that absolutely perfect, radiant summer glow. Let's make this your season of adventure.
Okay, let's jump right into Section 1. Special Edition Summer Drops.
We've got two super exciting, highly anticipated new additions to talk about. First up is the Special Edition Mary Kay Blush Stick. And wow, not only does this give you a gorgeous, buildable pop of color for that perfect sun-kissed look, but it actually empowers the Global Pink Changing Lives program, so you're literally helping women and their families thrive all over the world while looking amazing. And right next to that, we have the Special Edition After Sun Replenishing Gel. I mean, just imagine coming inside after a long, gorgeous day out in the sun and treating your skin to this soothing, cooling wave of hydration. Your skin is going to absolutely crave this. It's pure restorative comfort, giving you exactly what you need after soaking up all those summer rays.
Moving on to Section 2, 6 Steps to Underpainting.
So let's actually define what this trending concept is all about. Put simply, underpainting means you apply your foundation after your highlighter, contour, and blush. I know. It sounds a little backward, right? But by reversing the traditional makeup order, you actually simplify the blending process so much. This is literally the ultimate secret to unlocking that genuine lit-from-within glow instead of, looking like a heavily frosted cake.
Just look at this beautiful blend of textures working together for the underpainting process. Notice how the rich creams, the light white powders, and those smooth liquids all interact. It is all about creating these harmonious layers that just seamlessly melt into your skin. It creates this beautifully cohesive, glowing canvas.
All right, here is your exact 6-step roadmap to nailing this glow. Step 1, hydrate. You'll want to start with a really nourishing oil to prep the canvas. Then, steps 2 and 3 are highlight and contour, using a multi-benefit concealer to gently sculpt the face. Step 4, pop on that blush. That vibrant Special Edition blush stick we just talked about would be absolutely perfect here. Okay, step 5 is where the real magic happens. Blend it all together by stippling your TimeWise Luminous 3D foundation right over the top. And finally, step 6, set your masterpiece with a translucent loose powder. The end result? An absolutely seamless, naturally radiant finish. It's a total game changer.
Which brings us to Section 3, your perfect foundation match. Now, this powerful skin tone mimicking formula comes in two really distinct, beautiful finishes, so you can figure out exactly what fits your personal vibe. On one hand, we have the matte finish. And get this, 86% of women agree it instantly creates a smooth finish. It is fantastic for shine control, which is basically a lifesaver on hot summer days. But on the other hand, we have the luminous finish. This delivers that incredibly dewy, radiant glow that pairs so perfectly with the underpainting technique we just mastered.
And check out this incredible spectrum of color. With 36 unique shades available, honestly, the hardest part is just choosing one. But it's not just about the surface color either. This foundation is actually infused with a TimeWise 3D complex. That means every single drop is packed with skin-loving ingredients. We're talking resveratrol, vitamin B3, and an age-defying peptide. So you're literally treating your skin the whole time you're wearing it. Now, if navigating 36 shades feels a little daunting, don't worry. You can scan to access an exclusive AI-powered foundation finder tool. It instantly takes all the guesswork out of shade matching. And the absolute best part, there are 0 downloads necessary. You can find your absolute perfect match right from your browser while you're shopping. It's so easy. All right, Section 4, achieve your lash goals.
So, the crucial point here is aligning your specific aesthetic goal with exactly the right product. Like, if your goal is to clearly define and lift your lashes into a gorgeous fan shape, the Lash Love Panorama Mascara is your go-to. Seeking maximum length, Great Heights Mascara is exactly what you need. Now, if you want bold volume and definition together, the Ultimate Mascara delivers that beautifully. And for that really dramatic, intense volume and length, yeah, you're going to want to reach for the Lash Intensity Mascara. It's all about customizing your impact. And lastly, Section 5, fragrances and bestsellers.
Because summer isn't just about how you look, right? It's also about the presence you bring into a room. Enter the new True Optimism Eau de Parfum for men. This is designed for the unbounded trailblazer. Let me try to paint a sensory picture for you. It hits you first with these highly energetic bursts of top notes. Think vibrant citrus and sweet fruit. Then, it transitions into this ozonic breath of fresh air lightness before finally settling into a really lingering, memorable warmth. It is just a completely fresh, positivity-inspiring scent for the guy who just goes for it.
To wrap things up, let's do a really quick, enthusiastic, rapid-fire overview of the ultimate foundational bestsellers that complete any summer routine. We've got the TimeWise Miracle Set to completely transform and defend your complexion, the incredibly effective oil-free eye makeup remover, and the Clear-Proof Acne System for clear, confident skin. Oh, and we definitely can't forget the CC Cream Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 15 for a quick, protected glow, plus the Supreme Hydrating Lipstick for a really luscious pout. Just remember, having consistent, great skincare absolutely sets the stage for all the magnificent color cosmetics we explored together today.
So here's my final question for you. Which new trend or product will you use to express your true self this summer? Are you going to master that underpainting technique we walked through? Or maybe you'll find your absolute perfect foundation match with that AI tool. I really challenge you to step out of your comfort zone, take some action, and step into this season with completely unapologetic confidence. Thank you so much for joining me today for this explainer. Keep learning.